Hi everybody, today we are going to learn about making DI in Premiere Pro without using Luts. Download links of videos used in this and follow along with me in this tutorial. Let's jump onto the video. Now we can open Premiere Pro and import the footage by pressing Command I, open the footage in Source Player, and place the video in the timeline. Go to the Color workspace and click the Basic Correction section in the Lumetri color. Now adjust the exposure according to the lighting of the footage. Increase the contrast to differentiate color selection. Decrease the highlights and shadows. Decreasing the whites as much of exposure in the video, and decrease blacks to lighten the shadows, so the original footage begins to show. Increase the saturation in the video to reveal colors. In the creative section, increase intensity slightly. Increase the sharpen to provide crisp details, and increase the vibrance and saturation slightly. Now we go to the HSL secondary section, click the eyedropper icon on the key subsection, and click the sky blue in the video. You can preview using gray area, the areas selected by adjusting the areas of selection using the HSL sliders. Select the blue color in the color wheel, and decrease the temperature slider. Change tint slightly to the green side, decrease the sharpen value and contrast. Then increase saturation to the maximum to make the sky clear. We grade the sky, and now we are going to grade skin tone. Now, duplicate the Lumetri color in the Effects Control panel using Command C and Command V and reset Lumetri colors. Repeat the steps in the key subsection by taking samples from skin color. In the correction subsection, increase the value of contrast, sharpen, and saturation according to the skin tone. Then change the temperature value to the orange side slightly, and increase the slider value up. We completed skin tone correction, and now we're going to make some changes on lips to red. Now, duplicate the Lumetri color again in the Effects Control panel, and reset the Lumetri color. Repeat the steps in the key subsection by taking samples from the lip. Change the tint slider to the pink side. If you want any other correction in your scene, repeat the above steps by sampling in other sections. Now you can see a professional DI without using Luts in Premiere Pro, done very easily and quickly. You can find the finished Premiere profiles and log footage in Gumroad. If you like the learning session, please click the like button. For more such amazing videos, subscribe to Smart Work Studios.